Kia, the well-known South Korean automaker, has officially introduced its first-ever pickup truck, marking a major move into a new segment for the brand. This launch signals Kia's intent to broaden its vehicle lineup and make a significant impact in the global truck market. The all-new Kia Tasman is a mid-size pickup designed to compete with popular models like the Toyota Hilux. However, this truck won't be available in North America. Instead, Kia targets markets in South Korea, Australia, the Middle East, and Africa. The Tasman presents a bold and unique look. One standout feature is the quirky mustache-like cladding around the wheel arches. For those who prefer a more traditional appearance, Kia offers an alternative with black trim that surrounds the arches. The front of the truck features vertical headlights positioned at the corners, a muscular hood, and a large Kia badge, giving it a strong, rugged look. While many expected the design to resemble Kia's Telluride SUV, the Tasman instead rides on a body-on-frame platform which prioritizes durability and toughness. The Kia Tasman offers a cabin that combines a refined, car-like feel with practical elements. The truck features 3 screens, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 5-inch display, and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Kia has thoughtfully kept physical controls for frequently used functions, balancing modern technology with ease of use. The Kia Tasman offers a cabin that combines a refined, car-like feel with practical elements. The truck features 3 screens, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 5-inch display, and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Kia has thoughtfully kept physical controls for frequently used functions, balancing modern technology with ease of use. The truck boasts a towing capacity of 7,716 pounds and a cargo bed that offers 41.4 cubic feet of space, making it ideal for heavy-duty work. With a double wishbone front suspension and a rigid rear axle with leaf springs, the Tasman is built to tackle rough terrain with stability and strength. For off-road enthusiasts, the Tasman offers several driving modes, including desert, mud, snow, and rock. The truck can even ford water up to 31.5 inches deep, enhancing its all-terrain capabilities. Scheduled for a 2025 launch in South Korea, the Kia Tasman will later roll out in other regions such as Australia, the Middle East, and Africa, marking a new chapter for the brand in the pickup truck market.